On Friday, the Supreme Court gave out its final verdict in the Nirbhaya gang rape case. The Supreme Court not only got a standing ovation from the media, but also a lot of Bollywood celebrities voiced their opinions and lauded the Supreme Court, which upheld the decision of the Delhi High Court to hang 4 convicts. Among a host of celebs, there was Priyanka Chopra as well, who put out a very emotional letter for Nirbhaya on her Twitter handle. Here's what she wrote. Yes, it has taken 5 long years, but today justice finally prevailed. The flame of this verdict should singe not just the dastardly 4 of the other 2, one is dead and one accused is a juvenile, but other such perpetrators in India as well. The brutal, barbaric and demoniacal conduct of the convicts shook the conscience of humanity and they don't deserve leniency, said the Supreme Court while reading out the death sentence to the 4 accused in the Nirbhaya rape-cum-murder case. I am so proud of the justice system for hearing a voice. In her dying declaration, she appealed that her perpetrators not to be spared. Justice, that is what an entire country demanded 5 years ago. And never let the nation forget. Each voice that joined the battle was strident and clear. The 6 must be punished. Finally, they will pay. The brutality of such crimes is something I refuse to accept. That we as a modern 21st century society allow such heinous things to happen to our women never ceases to trouble me. Unfortunately, the past can never be undone. So we move on and make a promise to ourselves that when an entire country is unified in wanting something, action is taken. This awakening, this unified voice to stop such brutal and demoniacal crimes, as our Supreme Court said, is what we must never let go onto mute mode. You will never be forgotten, Nirbhaya. A lot of other celebs, including Vishal Dadlani, Taapsee Pannu, Neha Sharma, Raveena Tandon, also supported the decision of the Supreme Court.